Hello babes, it's me, Shannon B for BrownGirlBella, back again to bring you lips, lashes, and luxury. This is day 2 of BELLAmas, and I thought I would share with you some of the products that I got from my job at BeautyTap. I was tasked to review this line from Kim Kimble. You might know her as the hairdresser extraordinaire who's done many ahead, but most famously for doing Beyonce's hair. So she's coming out with a line that is exclusive to Walmart, and my job, again, BeautyTap, has tapped me to review them. So I thought I would show you how I go to sleep most nights with my hair braided up or twisted up so it doesn't tangle as much. And so I'm going to take it down, I'm going to show you the products, and I'm going to show you how I use them. You like that? I thought you might. So let's start here. And this is my pattern edge control brush that I also use as my loosening up for my twists. So I just take a small section at a time, and then I wet my hair, not till it's soaking wet, but just a little damp, because my hair takes the product better when it is slightly dampened. And this is just an old school 99-cent water bottle, nothing fancy. I don't have anything in it but water. And so this is how I like to have my hair dampened, just a little. And I'm gonna start by her curly butter cream. This has shea butter, mango butter, castor seed oil, and it's supposed to keep your curls looking luxurious and healthy looking. It adds shine, moisture, and bounce to your natural curl pattern, and it lasts all day. So I use just that amount. Rub it together, and then I massage it through my hair, starting at the root and going all the way down to the ends. Not stopping there, I'm going to next use her curl spray gel. It has sweet almond oil and avocado oil. It controls the frizz and boosts shine of your naturally curly, wavy, or permed hair. It provides bouncy, long-lasting hold without stickiness or buildup. And you're supposed to spray a generous amount to slightly damped hair, scrunch or diffuse with a blow dryer and let it dry naturally. To create ringlets, which I don't need, you just curl the hair. So I just, again, spray it throughout my hair, and then I just work the product all the way through with my fingers, detangling as I go along. So that's basically how I do my hair. So we're going to finish this up. Hold please. Please. Hold please. Wet this really good. Okay, so now that my hair has thoroughly been moistened with the product, I want to go in with the last product that I was given, which is the Edge Taming Pomade. This is also made with shea butter. It's supposed to tame frizz and flyaways and controls unruly edges, which of course I have. A second, let's just wipe that off. Okay. What I love about this is that it actually, you can see like the seeds inside of the pomade, so you know it's real. And I just take my brush portion of my Pattern Beauty Edge Tamer and I just brush back the edges of my hair. As you know, I don't do any of that you know, baby hair kind of swishing thing. Not because I don't like it, it's just because I don't do it. I don't know how to do it, I should say. So I'm like, you know what, maybe that's not for me. And I'm okay with that. So I just use it to tame down these grays, because now that they're coming in with a vengeance, since I haven't been doing anything to my hair in terms of like dyeing it or putting the henna on it, they've been really coming in. Ooh. And this is just to keep those flyaways down. But so far I'm loving this line. Like, it makes my hair smell really good. It does add the shine back into the hair, and I'm pretty satisfied. I'm gonna go once again with the curly buttercream just to add a little bit more to the ends, because I think that sometimes my ends get a little drier quicker, probably because they need to be snipped. But I just add a few more, just a little handful to the ends. And as you can see, it's growing quite a bit. It's down to my chest, but you know, it will shrink as all 4C, 4B. Like, my front of my hair is more like a 4B or 4A, maybe even a 3B. And the back of my hair is more like really zigzaggy, so probably more 4B. But that is it. We are all finished, and I must say I really enjoy using these products. This is the curly buttercream once again, and the curl spray gel, and then the last product that I used was the Edge Taming Pomade. I gotta say, I love it. Kudos to Kim Kimble for this wonderful, wonderful products. They're available exclusively at Walmart, so go pick it up and tell her Brown Girl Bella sent you. And now you have been BELLAfied. Happy holidays.